more of ito yung kaakibat ng sobrang taas na standard na ibinigay natin sa Uniteam na after 1 year, aklas naman and yung napakataas na expectation because the president at that time, 2022 history, siya yung almost 50% ng bumoto sa kanya bilang presidente for 2022. That high expectation, high voting mark na nakuha niya, I think the negative effect of it is what we are looking at right now. More ingay, more people against him. I think ano 'to, I think how I look at this, even Chavit Singson is, playing part of this. It's more of like, this is the real game of being a president, eh. 'Pag nasa taas ka na at ikaw na yung nasa tuktok, wala ka talagang kaibigan, eh. Ang hirap maka-form ng kaibigan kasi everyone is vying for that position and
Yes.
everyone can be traitor.